10 states of emergency extended, Education Transformation Commission launched, and 20 garbage trucks handed over to the National Solid Waste Management Authority. You're watching Jamaica House Weekly. I'm Anthony Morgan.
We are committed to creating a safer, healthier, and secure working environment for our police force as it pursues its mission to serve, protect, and reassure.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness as he officially opened the Port Antonio Police Station and divisional headquarters Friday. The initially $104 million project was completed for just under $92 million. Upgrading works include the demolition and reconstruction of the divisional headquarters, the station, the living quarters, cell area, kitchen, and other amenities. Mr. Holness says the project falls under a police station upgrade program funded by the National Housing Trust. Of the $2 billion set aside, $662 million has been committed for this financial year, with $450 million already spent. Ongoing projects set to be completed this year include Harman Barracks, as well as the Buff Bay and Olympic Gardens police stations. While in Portland Friday, the Prime Minister opened the new East Palm Bridge in the parish. The new $24.3 million bridge serves the East Palm community and adjoining areas including Prospect, Crossroads, David Lane, Boys Town, Johnstown, and Land Settlement. It replaces a 70-year-old bridge that was ordered closed by the National Works Agency in November 2015.
The government of Jamaica remains committed to improving infrastructure island-wide to strategically increase connectivity around the island, reduce travel time and wear and tear on our vehicles, and to ensure the connectivity and productivity of our urban centers so that people can move across Jamaica seamlessly.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness also announced plans to upgrade 13 bridges in the parish as part of works to be completed under the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Mr. Holness used his visit to eastern Jamaica to witness the progress being made on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. In Kingston Thursday, the Prime Minister handed over 20 new garbage trucks to the National Solid Waste Management Authority (NSWMA). The trucks are expected to improve garbage collection and improve the environment.
It is a major achievement that the government is serious about increasing the fleet and therefore increasing the service. This government is 100% focused on what matters for transformation.
Municipal corporations in St. James, Clarendon, the corporate area, and Portmore will each receive 2 trucks. The other parishes will each receive a unit, while the remaining trucks will be used for commercial collection. Wednesday saw the Prime Minister launching the island's high-level Commission on Education Transformation. The 14-member commission is tasked with conducting an extensive review and assessment of Jamaica's education system to include its structure and operations. The commission is also expected to recommend actions for change. A report with those recommendations is to be ready by March 2021. The newly formed commission is chaired by Professor Orlando Patterson, a Harvard University sociology professor.
We have assembled a comprehensive group that represents all elements of the education system. I am truly grateful to all the members of the commission who have agreed to serve. What I am looking for is not tinkering or tweaking, but real, radical change that will put Jamaica on an entirely new trajectory to growth and prosperity.
In Parliament Tuesday, the Prime Minister made a case for the extension of 10 states of emergency now in operation across the island. He said that based on police statistics, the enhanced security measure had assisted in an overall 13% reduction in crime across the island. This average reflected decreases in the figures for murders, shootings, rape, robberies, and break-ins.
It is clear that the SOEs work, that in all instances we can say without question that lives have been saved.
48 of the 63 members of Parliament supported the passage of the Prime Minister's extension resolution.
This was proposed as a small project that could have a big impact given the high levels of traffic and congestion in this section of Camp Road and the vicinity. There are too many crashes here, and it was clear that the contributory causes relate to the road layout, which resulted in not only accidents, but insufficient queuing space for cars waiting to enter Upper Camp through the main gate.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness, as he officially opened the Jamaica Defence Forces Cannonball Gate entrance last Tuesday. The construction of the new gate forms part of a program to improve the road layout, drainage, water and sewerage and ICT infrastructure along a section of Camp Road. Completed at a cost of $5.37 million, the project was executed by China Harbour Engineering Company through a partnership with the JDF and National Works Agency. The 19th century Cannonball Monument, which was erected to commemorate the 3rd West India Regiment, has also been restored and posted at the gate. And that's it for Jamaica House Weekly. Be sure to join us next time for the latest stories coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.